this malfunction of some system which can create alarm.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. That is what I'm telling. If there is this PT, okay, there is some malfunction in the PT. Okay, then it will create alarm or no? Yes or no?
No, it's not the one. It's not like that. I think. Yeah, German.
It is just permissive. It will inhibit open these valves unless
Correct.
the
Correct.
future pressure across the valve.
See, during startup, correct. During
The
startup,
benefit
this
is during
alarm, this
startup only.
yes, during startup always alarm will be there. So in order to
Yes.
override this, in order to start up, during you have
Yes.
to override this alarm initially. Once
Till
it
I
is start
open-
up, once
till
it
I
is start
open-
up, it will be normalized. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Then
I would
open
say,
the HEPS valve, so there is no differential pressure across the valves
In
Okay.
fact,
because it will be open loop.
in fact, our aim here is to remove the alarm, right? Because when we are starting, it should have an alarm. Now, when there's no alarm, then I can open the valve.
Yeah, yeah,
Right?
correct.
okay. So
So
what
no,
is
your
what is
requirement
our
is no, you need alarm or no need alarm. Sorry,
yes,
No, no,
yes.
you need
So
to
we want to justify.
Yes.
We
Yeah,
want to
correct.
justify whether we need alarm
You
or
need
not.
yeah, correct.
I think this is not a valid alarm, to be honest.
not valid because this is for startup. That's what we were saying because it's not an abnormal condition
Yeah,
and it's
yeah.
not a deviation. Deviation will be a what you call a discrepancy.
No. 1 minute. We are going to make an interlock, right? Before opening the wall, this DP should not be any DP, right? Are you not consider this interlock in opening the wall before opening the wall? Can you show the PND?
I must alert the operator before
Yeah, correct. Before opening
close
the
the
wall.
equalizing line and open the main line.
Correct.
Okay.
See, initially this alarm will be low. Okay, once I get enough DP, this alarm will be suppressed. Then I go for manual. Correct.
So
No?
it's the other way.
Based
It's
on,
the other way,
yeah,
Guru, right? It's the reverse
yeah,
way.
yeah,
Once the alarm
correct.
is off, then you can
Yes,
open.
then you can go for manual. Otherwise, how operator know? Particular time you will open the wall by default. How you will know the timing?
No. It should be
No,
Yeah.
but
once
the
alarm is
Yeah,
as
correct.
far as the
Yeah,
alarm
correct.
is live, you are not
Yes.
permitted to open these valves.
Correct. Initially, alarm will be there. Okay, once enough DP is available, the alarm will be suppressed. Then you will get the operator will come to know the enough DP is achieved. Then you will go for the main wall.
Yes. So I think this is valid alarm because the operator must know
Yes.
it. Yeah, operator must know it. But I would say that let us put in this category.